Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's health report, one medical expert is calling for more allergy testing sites in Jamaica. Shamila Pullen tells us more.
Allergies occur when one's immune system reacts to a foreign substance. This can be due to a variety of substances to include pollen, pet dander, or even food. Dermatologist Dr. Lorenia Muir-Green says allergy testing is the procedure used to determine which particular substances are responsible for triggering an allergic reaction. Dr. Muir-Green says there are three types of testing.
We have the skin prick testing, where we introduce the actual allergen into the skin and see if you develop any reaction after about 15 minutes or so. We also have the blood testing, where in specific for persons or more useful for persons who cannot undergo that kind of skin prick testing.
Allergies are quite common in Jamaica, but Dr. Muir-Green says it is difficult to treat because the specifics in terms of triggers are not truly known. She says a big part of the challenge is only 2 testing sites are available in Jamaica.
Unfortunately, we don't have that many going into allergy as a specialty in the island. So we don't have a lot of persons who do management of or specific management of these cases. We do, I think, need to have more persons going into that area of medicine, because there are lots of persons who come in complaining about these things, and we just don't have enough outlets for them to send them to get proper work up. When they say, oh, you have to go to Kingston, if you're based in St. Elizabeth or somewhere else, and you just don't have the time to pack up yourself and go into Kingston, that can be problematic.
In the meantime, Dr. Muir-Green is encouraging affected persons to know their triggers and try as best as possible to avoid them. With her health report, I'm Shamila Pullen, wishing you good health.